Hi, I'm Mike, and today I will be reviewing the Workshop 6-gallon wet-dry vac. Like most Workshop vacs, this 6-gallon unit is durable, with a copolymer drum that can take abuse, resist dents and cracks. This is great, especially for shop and garage usage. But this vac doesn't just suck. When you insert the hose into the port in the back, it turns into a blower. It now comes with a 3.5 peak horsepower motor, which gives you the suction power to tackle most messes around the home and yard. The large carry handle makes this vac highly portable. And the rugged casters allow for easy 360-degree maneuverability. The feet provide storage and keep the accessories close at hand. The power switch is located near the large handle. With Workshop, even the switch is tested to work over 10,000 times. This 7-foot hose quickly locks into the vac and keeps it secured when you're pulling on it during cleaning. This is so much quicker and easier than other vacs on the market where you have to screw or twist the hose into place. The 1 7/8 inch diameter of the hose can pick up larger debris with less chance of clogging. That's a 200% larger opening than many similar products on the market. Not 100%, not 150, not 186, 200%. I don't make this stuff up. The lid quickly detaches from the drum for emptying or changing the filter. The motor is among the longest lasting in the industry. That's why we confidently back our product with the Workshop 5-year limited warranty and the best customer service in business. Workshop, suck it up. Get it done.